Manoj Tiwari, BJP MP and Delhi BJP chief, once again, he's come under severe attack, especially from political rivals in the Aam Aadmi Party in the national capital for violating social distancing norms and playing cricket at an academy in Sheikhpura in Sonipat. Pictures show that he did not wear masks, which is in today's time one of the most basic necessities when in contact with other people, and did not follow social distancing norms, as you can see from those pictures. I believe my colleague Amandeep is joining us with more, because Amandeep, this happened in Sonipat, so certainly this is a matter of concern for the government there as well.
Exactly, Shivani. First, I would like to tell you that number of violations has been done by the Manoj Tiwari. Number one, he has not followed the SOP of the Haryana government since he's entered from Delhi to Haryana, and after entering, he did not follow any line of the SOP that has been issued by the state of Haryana to all.
और इस समय जब हम लोग PIL लगा तो मात्र 3150 बेड की तैयारी दिखी है। अब 30,000 और 3,000 में कितना अंतर है? तो अरविंद केजरीवाल का झूठ बोलने का रेशियो, ये सीधे 90% झूठ बोल रहे हैं। 30,000 उनको बेड बोले और मात्र 3,150 बेड है, और ऊपर से इनके आंकड़ों में कितनी हेर फेर हो रही है। आप देखिए, उनके जितने आंकड़े खुद वो दे रहे हैं, मौत का आंकड़ा उन्होंने छुपाया, और अभी जो हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट के आंकड़े आ रहे हैं उसमें जैसे ये कहते हैं कि टोटल हमारे जो एक्टिव पेशेंट हैं 6,617 हैं। 24 मई की बात बता रहा हूँ, आज की, हाँ कल की, आज तो 25 हो गया। 24 तारीख का ये आंकड़ा है कि एक्टिव केस 6,117, और फिर देते हैं कि डेडिकेटेड कोविड हॉस्पिटल में।
All right, so that's a live reaction coming in from Manoj Tiwari, who's under attack himself for not following social distancing norms, and he, of course, is taking on the Delhi government for their preparedness and also some of the numbers. But leaving that aside, I want to go back across to my colleague Amandeep, because Amandeep, you've been tracking this story closely in Haryana. Just give us a sense of what the Haryana government feels. This is not just a matter of concern, but also an embarrassment for the BJP, because their own MP is not only crossing state borders and then violating social distancing norms as well.
Yes, exactly, Shivani. This is most surprising thing, that in fact the state government is going soft against this MP, just because if it could be any other citizen of this nation, the Haryana government could have taken the strict action against those who are actually violating the lockdown norms. But though he is a BJP leader, he is an MP, and in fact Haryana government is turned to be the mute spectator. In fact, Sonipat administration is not coming out with any kind of action against this person just because he is a leader. In fact, if this is the situation, if this is the way to deal with the VVIP and VVIPs, the Haryana government could have come up with the separate SOPs for the VVIPs. In fact, they could have taken the strict action against this person also, but just because number of violations has been done by the Manoj Tiwari. Number one, he has not followed the SOPs issued by the Haryana state for the people who are coming outside from the states. Number two, the people who are not covering their faces, who are not following the social distancing norm, there is a proper FIR that has to be registered against those. These are the two major violations, and here the state of Haryana is getting soft against this MP. If he is not the MP, if he could have some other person, so he should be booked under these sections 188 and in fact several other violations. But there are certain questions, big questions against the Haryana state and in fact the Sonipat administration, that how he was allowed to go to that place and play cricket in very open and very cool attitude, though
fact,
the MHA guidelines specifically mentioned that
where he is playing
only
cricket,
trainees.
while clubs and sports facilities can restart and several people have collected to play cricket, they have to maintain social distancing norms and follow the most basic precautions like wearing a mask. Amandeep, we're also getting a reaction now from Manoj Tiwari on this incident. Let's listen in.
हमने भी देखा कि कुछ चैनलों ने इसको चलाया, कुछ अखबारों में इसको लिखा गया। मैं हमेशा लॉकडाउन में सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का और नियमों का पालन करता हूं, और मैं ऐसी गलती कर ही नहीं सकता। इसमें बुरा नहीं मानिएगा, जिन लोगों ने इसको चलाया है उनकी नीयत में खोट है और उनको शायद ये पता नहीं कि अब स्टेडियम खोलने का निर्देश हो चुका है एमएचए का और सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग के साथ बिना दर्शक के खेल और खेल की एक्टिविटी करने का परमिशन हो चुका है। उसी लिए कल ही वो जो गन्नौर का एक जो स्टेडियम है, हालांकि वो प्राइवेट कुछ लोगों का है, सरकारी भी नहीं है, तो उसको अब इसी नियम के तहत शुरुआत हुई तो मैं वहाँ पे गया था और हम पूरे समय में हमने मास्क लगाए हैं। यहाँ तक कि मैंने देखा जो लोग दिखा रहे हैं टीवी पे, मैं एक दो न्यूज़ चैनल पे देखा हूँ, एक पे देखा कि वो जिसमें मैं मास्क पहना उसी को कह रहे हैं कि मास्क भी नहीं लगाए हैं और जो शब्द बोल रहे हैं उसमें उनकी खींच ज़्यादा दिख रही है। तो मैं समझता हूँ कि ऐसा आप बिल्कुल ये गलत रिपोर्टिंग हो रही है। अब खेल के मैदान खुल गए हैं, बिना दर्शक के उनको खेल एक्टिविटी शुरू करने का नियम हो चुका है। केवल आपत्ति है, अभी मनाही है तो राजनीतिक और धार्मिक गतिविधि पर, और मैंने पूरी तरह से उसका पालन किया है। अब जिसकी नीयत में खोट है उसको हम क्या कर सकते हैं।